Hello everyone, this is Moon with another video. Um, so today my plan is to actually make a very informational video. It's about a website that I used in the past and still sometimes I do use it. Um, it's called W3 Schools. So that's a really useful video, useful website where you can learn about like SQL, different programming languages. I just wanted to make a useful, knowledgeable video that can help people. I don't know if a lot of people know about it, but that website worked for me to learn SQL because it's just such a useful tool. And I mean, if you want to get a job and just grow uh, in the data analysis field, you definitely need to know SQL. So let's jump into the video. Let me just quickly show you guys how it is, and just I'll also put a link in the description. Um, so I just also bought a new laptop, Apple, but I just don't want to download OBS on it. I don't know if anybody knows, but OBS is used for like streaming, like you can record videos and screen share, but I just don't really trust these kind of softwares and websites to install it on my new laptop. So okay. Here we go. Okay, that's the website. So if you want to create an account, you can. And I think it's actually very useful if you create an account because it lets you um, like it gives you like quizzes, like, so that's really good. Like you can able ask you like questions to test your knowledge. But basically, like in a SQL interview, like I mean data analyst interview, they ask you some really difficult questions. Like they don't make it easy for you, so you feel very pressured. So let's go to SQL. So you can see like there's a bunch of different languages like Python, Java. You can learn PHP, how to C++, Bootstrap, React, MySQL, HTML. HTML is actually really fun to learn it because it's just, I mean, if you're into like building websites, so I think it's just HTML is really good. It's not that bad. I mean, it's pretty easy. It's not that hard. I mean, with ChatGPT, you can kind of get some sort of code and kind of get started with it. So it's a good tool, good programming language to learn if you want to build websites. So yeah, HTML is there, but for today, let's just cover SQL. But yeah, this is a great website. I mean, it gives you the introduction of what SQL is. Um, SQL is a standard language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data in databases. Our SQL tutorial will teach you how to use SQL in SQL, MySQL, SQL Server, MS Access. So I have used, let's go back to the first page. Oh, this is taking forever. Oh boy. So Microsoft Access, let's talk about that while it loads up. I've used Microsoft Access in my professional career. Uh, Microsoft Access is a great tool. I think I could make another video of Microsoft Access. But yeah, Microsoft Access is pretty good. But I think not a lot of companies probably use Microsoft Access, they usually use like Databricks. A lot of people are transitioning to that, but maybe in another video we can look at Databricks. But yeah, so it has the introduction here, the syntax. So it kind of tells you about like different SQL statements. So usually like basic thing, like the first thing you'll really learn is like how you select a table. So there's like different tables and columns and things like that. So you can also like click on try it yourself, and then you can like practice like writing SQL code rather than having to download the whole SQL server, because sometimes that can kind of tricky on how to install the SQL servers. In the past, I've downloaded the SQL Server Management Studio, and it messed up my laptop. It made it even slower. So, but you can kind of, just to get started, you can test how it works, right? So you can click on it and do run SQL. Select star from customer. So there's a customers table. That's the customer tables, records 91. So you can kind of see like how you ran, and you can like click into this white section and just run the SQL query. I mean, for example, like these are the tables, right? So that's how a table looks like. So this is a table, right? The customer ID, these are columns. Customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code. This is a table, right? So if I wanna like, I guess, select another table, I can. So exactly how it's written here, you have to select, for example, if I wanna look at the categories table, I can run this. Okay, so now I open the categories table. But that's how you actually, this is like the very basic thing that you can do in SQL. I mean, it's like select star from categories. But just to kind of give you guys like a good understanding of like what's a good website, what's a good platform where you can come in and learn SQL, amazing, best tool for a lot of jobs. I mean, pretty much every job, man, it's like they want you to know SQL. So you better like learn what SQL is. Sometimes it's not even like a data analysis job, and you need to know SQL. So super important tool. But honestly, like I highly recommend this website, because that's where I learned the basics of it. So just keep clicking through it. You can create an account, and you can kind of also like, it gives you like, so also like learn like joins, right? So there's like SQL joins. So you can click into SQL joins and learn that. But just to get started, I'm not going to go into the whole bunch of detail of what SQL, because it's going to take time to learn and a lot of practice. But just I wanted to kind of cover and talk about this website, W3 Schools. It's a very useful website, and the way they, everyone has their own learning style. Everyone learns differently. Sometimes people want to learn from like people who make YouTube videos about SQL. That's good too. But also like to kind of practice, you can, there's SQL exercises to kind of quiz yourself, as you progress. So, but yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. I just wanted to cover W3 Schools website, just for if anyone want to kind of learn like SQL. So, but yeah, that's it for now. Catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and appreciate all the subscribers that I have right now. Love you all, and you guys are awesome, and thank you for supporting me. I just barely started this YouTube channel. I'll try my best to make sure that whatever content I create is useful and it's actually going to help people. And just some fun videos too. Like, I like music, sports, and kind of as I get time. And I would love to just do YouTube content, but it's just I'm just so busy with my life. I hardly get any time, but I want to start with some videos that actually are gonna actually help people in their career and something useful. But W3 Schools, yeah, let's just end with that. W3 Schools video. The website is really great. Just go through this website, learn, get familiar with it. But it's great. Like, you can look at HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python. These are some really good, useful tools, useful programming languages that you can learn. But that's it for now. I just want to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.